How to track eBay AU package. So very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into your eBay, make sure you are logged into your account. Then from here, we need to now get into our purchase history. For that, tap on my eBay right here. Then from here, you can see purchases. Simply tap on that one. And then from here, what you're going to do is scroll down in order to find the specific item package that you are waiting on. Then you can look at the tracking number link provided beneath the item's shipping status block. So simply, like I said, find the item, and below the item there will be the number link provided, and then from there all you need to do is click on that number to view the tracking event within the eBay, or copy paste it directly into the Australia Post or the specified courier service tracking portal, and then from there, just like that, you'll be able to track an eBay AU package. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video.